Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hibiscus flower powder using fresh hibiscus flowers. This is easy to make and also it is cost effective. This powder is used in face pack and face serums, and if you want to know how I made this, please continue watching. To make this hibiscus flower powder, first you need to get hold of fresh flowers. These are the flowers from my garden. I have at least a dozen of these. And if you don't have, you can purchase it from the flower market, or if you look around your neighborhood, you will get a plant with these flowers. You can use them. The flowers contain AHAs, that is alpha hydroxy acids, which will improve your skin complexion and texture. It also has vitamin C, which will lighten your skin tone, and vitamin E moisturizes your skin and improves the complexion. So using these flowers will help you to get the fresh powder which you are looking for, rather than buying the powder from the market which you are not sure if it is fresh or it is made from pure hibiscus flowers. So that is the advantage of making it to your house. There are other various benefits of using hibiscus flower powder on your face. It will promote blood flow and increase collagen production. It will also cleanse your face, unclog your pores, and tighten the fine lines and wrinkles. Before using these flowers, you need to wash them thoroughly. Here I am not going to wash it because I had already watered the flowers when it was in the plant. Therefore I am just separating the petals from the stalk and the center part of the flower, and I need just the petals to make this powder. So these are the fresh petals which I am going to dry it. Put it on a plate or even on a cloth, thin cloth, so that this dries up evenly. Separate it and spread it on the surface on which you are using this. Keep this in the shade for one day. So you need not keep it in the direct sunlight the first day. Keeping it on the shade will help to reduce the moisture content of the flowers instead of drying it all at once. So the next day you can just keep it in the sun for at least 1 to 2 hours before you can make powder. Like you see, I have put it on the cloth, and you can see the flowers have dried completely, and though it is so crisp enough so that I can make powder. To make the powder, here I am not going to use a mixer jar. I will tell you why. So here I have got a bunch of these dried petals, and I am going to squeeze it with my bare hands. Squeeze it thoroughly so that it forms into a powder. The advantage of drying it in the sun and using it and powdering it immediately will help you to get the desired results. So after you have powdered enough, then you can take a filter, a strainer, or a cloth, and you can just separate the fine powder from the coarse one. As you can see here, I am going to use a perforated strainer and drop all the powder which I had squeezed, the coarse powder, and filter it like this. You will be separating the fine powder from the coarse one. The reason I am not going to use a mixer jar is because this may contain the stalk or anything, or hard part, which I don't want to grind it in the mixer jar. I need the powder of just the petals. The pink powder is ready. This is the powder from the fresh petals. So the remaining residue you can just drop it in your coconut oil or any hair oil which you use, and that will help to nourish your scalp, and it will help your hair. So the pure powder is ready. This is the fresh hibiscus flower powder which you can use for face packs and face serums. Store this in an airtight container, and you can keep this for at least 2 to 3 months. The quantity of this depends on how many flowers you have used. For 12 flowers, I have got at least 100 grams of this powder. I can use this powder for at least 6 to 7 times of face pack. This is used best for on face. If you want to use on hair, you can use the flowers directly. So try this and see how it works for you. And if you like this, please comment, share. And if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.